Hi, welcome to another part of tips and tricks in MS Excel. Today we are discussing about is functions in Excel. I have divided this videos into two parts. This is part 1. Tip number 1, ISERROR. ISERROR is a function which returns for any error cells in Excel. Otherwise it will return false. Here I have mentioned different errors that occurs in Excel. If divided by 0 is happen, we get this #div/0 error. Some error in the value, then we will get this error. And if some reference is missing, we will get REF error. If missing number, we get num. There are many types of error will occur in the Excel sheet. ISERROR is a function which will return true for these particular errors in the cell. ISERROR is applied like this, equal to ISERROR, and inside the bracket we have to give the value which is the error, so it will returns the true value. In the last, these two columns are simply text and numbers. For that particular, it returns false. Tip number 2, ISNUMBER. ISNUMBER is a function to check whether the cell contains a number or not. Here you can see I have given some values and checking using ISNUMBER. So you have to type like this, equal to ISNUMBER, and inside the bracket you have to give the cell number and close. Only the first cell is a number, others are not numbers, that's why it gives false, and for the number it gives true. Tip number 3, ISBLANK. ISBLANK is the function to check whether the cell is blank or not. Here you can see I have given some values and it is one of them is blank. For that particular value it's returning true, all others it gives false. You have to give it like this, equal to ISBLANK, and inside that bracket you have to give the cell reference. Number 4, ISFORMULA. This function is to check whether the Excel cell has a formula or not. Here I have given two values. In this, the first one, it is an addition value, that is A4 plus B4 value. We are getting 10. We are getting 10, and for that particular location C4, we are checking ISFORMULA. So for that, equal to ISFORMULA. Inside that bracket we are giving value, so it's returning true. In the second one I am just simply given 34 as a number. For that particular value it's returning false. And number 5, ISTEXT or ISNONTEXT. Same as before, these functions are to check whether the cell contain a text or non-text. So here you can see in this column I have given ISTEXT, and this is one I have given non-text. So these both are texts, so here we have to give it as equal to ISTEXT, and inside the bracket we have to give the cell reference value. These cells contain text, it returns true, and for this particular cells has number, it returns false. Similarly, for non-text returns false, and this particular column it is non-text cell, so it returns true, others are false. So that's the end of the video. Please support me by subscribing my channel and click the bell icon.